Hello, dear friends. Today we are at the end of this chapter, which we started an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Actually, this tragic news came to India. Okay, when this tragic news came to India, what we can say the sad news of broke off this Columbia shuttle. So this news came to India, and when it came to India, so people they got a shock. The people, Indian people, they shocked, and even this town, the Karnal town, the people became sleepless. They continuously watched the television. They sat in front of the television, and they watched the television um, without doing any other work. Means continuously, they sat in front of the television set, and they were hoping that somehow Kalpana Chawla and crew members had survived, but their hope had no any kind of meaning, because in this disaster, everybody, Kalpana Chawla and all the six members, were passed away. So her achievement is a really noteworthy, really remarkable one, and therefore a journalist to write about this achievement, he writes that she was a heroine, and of course her achievement is really marvelous one, really like a heroine one. Okay, and therefore he calls Kalpana Chawla as a heroine. He says further that if anybody wants to become an astronaut, he must have this enormous ability. He must have this you know capability, power, strength. It is not an easy task to become astronaut. Why? It is because it requires the knowledge of biology, astrophysics, aeronautical science. It's not like that only if a person has only one field's knowledge, so he can become astronaut. It's not possible. So he must have different branches knowledge. Okay, and this is the age of super specialization. So super specialization means nowadays we have specializations, means we can focus on only one subject or only one topic. Okay, but if anybody wants to become an astronaut, so it is not easy. He cannot say that, okay, I'll focus on only one subject and I can become astronaut. It's not possible. He must have encyclopedic knowledge. So encyclopedic means a complete knowledge, and you might have seen encyclopedia where different fields knowledge bound in one book. Okay, so if anybody wants to become astronaut, so he must have encyclopedic knowledge. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Means her whatever that achievement she chased in her life is a really giving inspiration to the people, and therefore it is said that awe-inspiring means inspiring other people to get the success in your life. Okay, this is the last paragraph where it is said that the story of Kalpana Chawla, actually she belonged to a town, Karnal. Okay, but even though she belonged to a small town, but she has done extraordinary, exceptional work, exceptional achievement. We can say is a really, inspiration for many of young people, many of young Indians, and also young from other countries too. And here is one message that she sent through this shuttle, Columbia shuttle. She says here that the path from the dreams to success does exist. Means if you have any dreams, so definitely there is a path to which will lead you towards your goal, to your success, to your dream. That path is there, that route is there. And she says further that may God give you this capacity, may God give you this sight, or here this word is used, vision, to identify this path or this route on which you can walk and you can achieve your success. Wishing you a great journey, like this she wished to the students who are learning in this college, Karnar College, there will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. She's saying here at the end of that story, it is said that in India and worldwide, there are many people who might have started their journey to achieve their success, to achieve their goal. Okay, so here the story or this chapter ends. So what we have to understand through this chapter is whatever that our dream is there. First of all, we must have dream. First of all, we should start to see the dream, and as Abdul Kalam says, the dreams should be high. Okay, your dreams should be high. You don't see only to become a clerk or lower positions job. You should have your dreams bigger and bigger. And if you have a dream, then Kalpana Chawla says that the path is also there which will take us to that your target or your whatever the goal you kept in your life. Okay, so you first thing you must have our goal. Okay, and the route is there. Next thing is that we must be ready to have hard work. Okay, without hard work it is not possible to get success or to chase any kind of dream. If you are ready, if you are ready to do vigorously, to do hard work vigorously, then definitely the success is in your court. Okay, so this is the message we have to take from this lesson. Thank you.